So I'm really happy that we have also a representative from Pakistan here, and we'll see what they're up to.
I am Ahmed Farouk from Pakistan, and I'll be taking 4 or 5 minutes from you people. We are a very small organization in Pakistan that is basically a student-run organization, and there are 5 people who are working group, and we select volunteers from every university from different departments to do works project-wise. So our mission is basically to have a sustainable world, to inspire young minds, and to impart something new and productive in those green minds, and to have green ideas. So our vision is to inject new ideas, like the ideas you people presented. They are very new ideas in Pakistan, so especially the ideas the person from Sikkim present, and environment. So our basic goal is to conserve our environment and to have sustainability in it. Basically, the challenges we face in Pakistan are sort of global challenges. Everyone faces the same challenges there: depletion of resources, green areas, like very low green areas, and other challenges are we are having no procedure of collection of garbage. So we all of the team members were sitting in cafeteria in our university. So we came up a very crazy idea regarding let's do it, that we'll having a festival sort of campaign, with the name of Let's Explore It. So the thing is, the main idea is what the festival or campaign or the plan must be. It will be in different. It will be connecting different schools, colleges, and universities. And there is a practice in Pakistan that the administration and the organizing bodies of the school, colleges, and the universities used to take 1 or 2 field trips around the year of kids, the university people, and and college people. So we are going to collaborate with them to provide give some time from those recreational visits for let's do it tasks. So they will be giving 2 or 3 hours from that whole day to clean that resort, as Pakistan is a very a place with a lot of activities, lot of historical places, lot of gardens, and the municipalities used to clean the roads. They are not giving proper attention to those places, and there is a lot of garbage in those areas, in gardens, in historic places. So the main idea is to have a focus on those areas, to involve people from schools, universities, and colleges to come up with us, spend 1 day, and we'll be offering the administration of those schools, colleges, that we will sponsor your trip. We will be taking your kids to with us for a whole day, and we will not charge you anything. So the both parties gonna be very happy that we will be having a lot of volunteers, and the school and administration will be having free field trips. So it's a mutual benefit sort of thing. So the action plan is we are doing first in schools, as we got a lot of contacts in school areas, and school kids will be very happy to go on field trips with us, maybe 2 or 3 times a year. So we'll be involving schools, and it will be intercity tour, and we'll be cleaning up the different historic places, gardens, and resorts here. The second step will be the college students. We can even go far from our own city, and in this way we will be having many cleanup spots or cleanup days in different cities while staying at our own place. So the team members will not be moving towards other cities. There will be 1 day we'll take the students to near cities, the cities which are adjoining cities of the main city, Lahore. So they will be cleaning those historic areas or gardens or some special areas to visit in the near cities. And there is a tradition of having a long field trip, as I'm a student of engineering, so an industrial visit, or including the recreational visit of 7 days, 15 days is there in Pakistan in the last year or third year. So we can collaborate with different universities and vice chancellors of different universities to allot some time of those 7 days on regular basis, so we can go up in far off places where the industrial zones and industries are there. So that's gonna be a very fun activity coming out from the industry in very deserty or very far off area from main city and cleaning up those areas. And budgeting and funding, we will be sponsoring those tours of schools, universities, and colleges. We have floated our proposal to tourism industry that will be more than happy and interested, because will be promoting a lot of tourism all around the country. And the forestry department will be there is a very positive response from forest department as well. They will be collaborating with us, and some multinational and media personnel should be there, will be there. So the main thing is that we are not having money, or we are not demanding any cash sort of thing. They can give us ticketing, logistics, transportation, food and drinks, and this way our whole trip will be covered. And this way we can collaborate with the organizations to offer them free trips, and they will be giving us thousands of volunteers for the cleanup campaigns. So this is the main idea, and I would like to have inputs from people like you in order to refine that idea, and in order to make it a very sort of strategically taking it step by step in different schools and colleges with respect to the campaigns and media campaigns especially. So, any questions?
Yes, I have a question. What's the situation regarding garbage in the mountain areas in Pakistan?
In fact, there is a lot of mess in mountain areas, but our project is not up to the mountain areas, as they are very far away. So the university or college will not allow us to go in those areas. But there is a lot of garbage there, and a couple of societies are working to clean up those areas and doing stuff like that. Anyone else? So thank you so much.